muske William Ruto NIGO haroberie gochia gokwandira ense nabo igo KOERERA EMEROBERIO ya magendro nabo igo hoborai bwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ya ikirandira segeka kyo mwaka OYOMO asa magacho ye Ebunge ya Alhamisi igasara chikukwandira ababunge kurwase chi bunge chionsi ibere erienene amo neri ye Senate iga nokubwatakana nokurario gukwanyara koba gukubwato kuwasenjira bene no monoberio monne we bunge Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula huyo barigandire abajumbe bonsi bachikwenekia gotegerera enkwana eyo yomurai bwense nabo igo narache kobaga KOERERA aya serikali ye kirandira segeka kyo mwaka OYOMO.
Honorable members, our communication on the State of the Nation address to Parliament by His Excellency the President of the Republic. Honorable members, Standing Order 42.1 relating to messages from the President provides that the Speaker, and I quote, shall read to the House any message from the President delivered to the Speaker for communication to the House. In this regard, I wish to inform the House that I received a message from His Excellency the President conveying that he intends to deliver the 13th State of the Nation Address 2025 to Parliament pursuant to Article 132.1 of the Constitution on Thursday, 20th November 2025. Honorable members, Article 132.1b and c of the Constitution states, and I quote, the President shall address a special sitting of Parliament once every year and may address Parliament at any other time. C, once every year, report in an address to the nation on all the measures taken and progress achieved in the realization of the national values referred to in Article 10 of the Constitution. 2, publish in the Gazette the details of the measures and progress under subparagraph 1. And 3, submit a report for debate to the National Assembly on the progress made in fulfilling the international obligations of the Republic. Honorable members, in accordance with the above provisions of the Constitution and Standing Order 22.2, I wish to notify all members that a special sitting of Parliament will take place on Thursday, 20th November 2025 at 2:30 p.m. in the National Assembly Main Chamber Parliament buildings. A notification of the special sitting has since been published in the Kenya Gazette, notice number 16519 of 12th November 2025, and indeed, as also notified by way of a newspaper notification published on 12th November 2025 for the information of members and the general public. I am aware that the offices of the clerks of the Houses of Parliament have commenced preparations for the day, and further logistical details will be communicated to members in due course. I thank you.